Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the connection so the system can detect the display. Make sure the monitor is powered and set to the right input, then connect the correct cable. Adapters can force lower resolutions, so use the native port when possible. Once connected, open your OS display preferences, Windows display settings, or Mac system settings for displays, so you can see the external monitor listed. This first step gets the device recognized and prepares you to change resolutions safely and precisely. Now fine-tune resolution and scaling to balance clarity and usable UI size. Select the external monitor from the display list, then pick the recommended resolution or a higher native value. Custom resolutions can be created, but proceed carefully. Once chosen, adjust scaling so text and icons aren't too small. Use 100% for native clarity or 125-150% for high-density panels. Additionally, set the refresh rate to the monitor's spec to avoid stutter. Make sure to apply changes. Complete the process by applying settings and testing across typical tasks. Browse, stream video, and full-screen apps to verify clarity and performance. If options are missing or the image is distorted, update your graphics drivers and monitor firmware first. This often unlocks resolutions. If problems persist, check cable bandwidth. Older HDMI or cheap adapters can cap resolution and refresh rate, so swap to DisplayPort 1, 4, or HDMI 2. 1. One quick troubleshoot tip. Revert within the OS timeout if the screen goes black to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.